In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice tone in ElevenLabs. If you're looking to enhance your audio projects with varied expressions and emotions, you're definitely in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly alter the tone of the voices you generate, bringing your text-to-speech content to life with just a few clicks and keystrokes. Before diving into the details, I'd like to remind you that you can use our affiliate link when signing up for ElevenLabs. This can be a great way to get started while also supporting our channel. All right, let's get started. When you begin generating your text-to-speech content in ElevenLabs, the first thing you'll want to do is select the V3 model. This particular model is quite powerful because it offers features that allow you to tailor the generated audio exactly to your needs. With the V3 model, you're given the ability to insert specific tags that control the nuances of the voice tone. This is incredibly useful for making your text come alive, whether you're aiming for a specific mood or want to align the voice with the thematic elements of your project. Once you've selected the V3 model, changing voice tones becomes a simple process. All you have to do is incorporate tags directly within your text. For instance, if you're looking to convey a more serious tone, you would add a tag that says serious tone. Similarly, if aiming for a lighter, more upbeat feel, a happy tone tag would do the trick. It's a flexible system that gives you the freedom to define exactly how your text should sound. It's important to remember that these tags need to be marked appropriately to be recognized as such. This is done by enclosing your desired tone descriptor within an opening and closing square bracket. So, for example, it would look something like this. Serious tone, right at the point in your text where you wish the change to happen. This method of tagging allows you to pinpoint and modify sections of your audio precisely, ensuring that the output aligns with your expectations. As you experiment with different tones, you'll discover how to adeptly manipulate the output to achieve exactly the impact you desire. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, and the results can make a significant difference in the overall effect of your text-to-speech output. And there you have it. That's all it takes to change voice tones in ElevenLabs. I hope you found this information helpful and that it inspires new ways to bring your audio projects to life. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our affiliate link if you're interested in trying ElevenLabs for yourself. Have fun exploring the possibilities, and see you in the next video.